Hi there guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my Traffico review. So guys, as you can see, I am right inside the members area of Traffico and I am going to give you a walk through this product and explain to you what you can expect out of it, whether it's worth to buy it or not really. So also I have some amazing bonuses which I have prepared, like custom-made bonuses which are there to complement Traffico fantastically well. Alright, so for those who decide to buy Traffico via the link down below my video, the bonuses are waiting. But what is Traffico in a nutshell? Well, so there is two parts to this product. The first one is the one you're looking at, because I am right inside the members area of Traffico. So this one here, so this is like a training course on this, just some video tutorials, not many, like 5 or 6 really, on this method. Well, it is a simple method, yet quite powerful, because it does make money and it does work. And the other part to this product is a software. And this software, I don't quite understand why they put it together with this training course, because it does something that is not really relevant to this method, in my humble opinion, because that software, well, it allows you to take other people's YouTube videos and edit them and maybe put your information in there, your affiliate link, and use those videos for yourself. But this method, actually Traffico, is something to do with Facebook. So basically it's a method that a lot of marketers have used on their Facebook profiles, so like on their Facebook pages. So say you put on your Facebook profile a question, yeah. Do you want to know how to make this and that amount of money a day or in a week, or fast, or do you want to know how to get 200 leads a day? If yes, then type in if yes, then type in yes, or something like that, you know, under the post, so under that Facebook post. So this is the method, right? And then, like, obviously this post is going to bring engagement. People will type in yes, 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 and then you will just send them a message. You will DM those people who have posted, who have commented under your post, and you will send them some like your affiliate links or some like bonus pages to anything you would be promoting. Okay, so this is a very, very simple yet successful method, and that's why I've actually picked this product to promote it, because, you know, it does work. Like, a lot of marketers have used this method and they've seen great results with it. So yeah, in a nutshell, this is what this training is all about. Guys, if you want to find out more, if you want to hear more like details on this product, then stay with me, as I shall give you some bonuses as well if you decide to pick up this product Traffico via the link below my video. And let's actually jump right to my bonus page that I have prepared, a beautiful bonus page with custom-made bonuses as well. As you can see on this bonus page, you will have some information on this product. It says like Traffico is Frankis. So Frankis is the guy who put this product together. So Traffico is Frankis' way of generating free traffic. So free traffic from Facebook, right? And tons of commissions using a sneaky Facebook trick. So it is a sneaky one, because, like, you know, you would ask people, do you want to find out? People are like, ooh, what is it? You know, like, it's quite, yeah, sneaky, but, you know, sneaky, smart, clever. Why not? Why not use it? So it's like a trick. This also comes with video marketing software. So I told you, I don't really know how relevant that software would be, but there you go. I guess you get like a bonus, extra, something extra. that will ensure the maximum amount of money in your subscribers' pockets. Anyhow, so here's the prices. We'll go through the prices later on, but let's jump straight to my bonuses first. So this is bonus number 1 is Access Jonas Award winning YouTube ads course. So a course on YouTube ads, how to run YouTube ads, like, you know, we have those like Google ads, the Bing ads, like different kinds of ads, but this one is on YouTube ads, and YouTube obviously is a phenomenal source of free traffic, so you get the whole course on, you know, how to master YouTube ads. Okay, and then, so, you know, once you're into making money online, you want as many skills as possible. Then we have content curation hacks, so how to get ideas to create an amazing content. So even like on those Facebook posts, right? Because this method teaches you about this Facebook method. So you'll be creating those posts where which would attract engagement, loads of engagement, but you need to know how to put it in, like, you need to master the wording, yeah? So how to create an eye-catching content. So with this hack, you will learn that. Now, do you see how my bonuses complement Traffico beautifully? Well, anyhow, bonus number 3 is build your buyers list while profiting. So the money is in the list, you know. You will need to build an email list sooner or later if you want to be making serious money, because very, very important to be like reaching out to your clients, potential buyers, emailing them with your newest offers, promotions, and, you know, keep in touch with them. And, you know, once they get to know you, get to like you, then they will probably respond to your emails and, you know, buy stuff from you over and over again. But you need that email list first. And then last but not least, all of the vendors' bonuses. So Frankie, on top of just the front end of Traffico, has thrown a bunch of different bonuses, which you get for free. Okay, and he's given them to me to give to you, to my buyers who pick up Traffico via the link below my video, guys. So again, the link to my bonus page is below my video, and then once you're on my bonus page, just smash this green button here, and then you will go to the sales page, which I will show you in a second. And that's where you buy. So through my bonus page, you get to the sales page, and once you've bought the product, then you will receive an email with the receipt that will send you to a platform called Warrior Plus, this one here. And just to make it clear for you guys, the blue one, the circled one, will be my bonuses, and the green one is Traffico and all of the vendors' bonuses. Okay? Now let's check out the sales page quickly. And as you can see, you will have this pop-up on the sales page. I don't know for how long it's going to be there, but if you kind of like want to refresh the sales page, and again, to the sales page you get via my bonus page. So if you want to kind of refresh or pretend you want to exit the sales page, this pop-up is going to come up, so you can make use of this 50% off, okay, on the front end, which is amazing. Anyhow, let's see what they claim on the sales page. So they say, still not making money online? Then you need to see this case. You need to see this case study. How we use a sneaky loophole from one of the world's largest websites, so that's Facebook, to generate a consistent $214 a day. You know, these numbers I never kind of take seriously, but that's what that's what they put on the sales page. Right, yeah, and then again, if you want to buy it, guys, via my bonus page, you get to this page, sales page here, and get instant access now. Smash that button and the product is yours. Now, I would encourage you to check out the rest of the sales page in your own time. I'm not gonna be spending ages here. Let's go check out the members area of Traffico. So, welcome to Traffico. Now, this one here. If you click here, you log in to this software that I told you Traffico comes with. So, this is the software. This is what it looks like for uploading other people's videos from YouTube. And then you can edit those videos, you can change the title, all of the details, and you can input your, affiliate link in the description box. So, the software is for you to make use of it. Okay, this is like an extra thing. So this is, but this is the main training. So here we have it. So Traffico welcome video. Then we have Facebook profile setup. So if you don't have one, he shows you how to do it from scratch, and making a Facebook cover with Canva. So he will show you how to use Canva to make the Facebook cover and actually put like an offer. But I think he shows you like something like a high ticket offer that you would put on that cover, and I'm not too sure whether this would be a good idea because it could put people off because if you would be promoting like something very expensive, I don't think people would actually go for it. I would probably give something away for free, and then maybe create a smart funnel that from here you go there and so on. Then that would bring more people would be more interested in going for that, in my humble opinion. But you can do it as you like. And then how to make this Facebook post, how to make money, and the software demo. So that software I have shown you. Okay, and this is it. It's 6 videos on this, again, simple method. But it does work. A lot of marketers have been using it successfully, so learn it, master it, and use it yourself. It will make you money. Let's just check out the prices that are on my bonus page. And there's quite a few upsells, 6 of them, but the front end goes at $17 at the moment. But as you have seen on the sales page, there's this pop-up that gives you 50% off, so I assume there would be what, $8.5, 8.5, $8.5 for the front end if you make use of that 50% discount. But once that discount is gone, you will pay $17 for the front end. But this is an early bird, guys, still, so I don't know for how long it's gonna stay at $17, but this is what it is at the moment. And then we have 6 upsells, but there is also this front end bump for $9.95, which removes all limitations on the Traffico software of the front end. Okay, cool. And then you have some done for you stuff, unlimited traffic, reseller rights, and a couple of more upsells. And I would encourage you to check them out in your own time. You have the link to my bonus page, all of the information is there, and then you can read through it. And remember, guys, all of my bonuses will be yours if you pick up just the front end. And grab Traffico via my link. Alright, so that was my review of Traffico. I do hope you have found it helpful. As I said, it's quite a cool method. Why not make use of it? Simple, but it works. So, learn with this training how to do this, how to make use of this method properly. Okay, and I wish you a lot of success with it. Take care. Bye bye.